Pauline? May I please borrow your sky, because since I am grounded for 2 more days, I don't have my sky. So, may I use yours to watch The Pit? Or The Walking Dead? No, Shauna. You are still grounded. So you can't play sky. You can do something like, reading a book or doing homework. Pauline. You have a sky queue that you don't use. Instead you use a Virgin Media or a Freeview. It is only fair for me to use your sky. I said no. Get out of my room right now. Okay, loser. I am so bored. I don't have my sky and my sister won't let me play hers. I will go to the Weather Channel headquarters to make a fake EAS alert. My sister Pauline hates emergency alerts, so I will make a fake one to scare Pauline. Ha 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 ha. My dad went to Tesco's Lurgan. So he isn't here. Also, since I cannot walk there since it is too far away to walk, I will take my dad's other car. I will tell Pauline that I am going to see my friends. I am almost there. I will make the alert. I will watch some shows on Netflix. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United Kingdom government. This is not a test. All nuclear power plants around the United Kingdom are going to be tested. That one in Lurgan City will scream in 15 minutes. Go into the Arctic, get food, water, medicines, a radio with a telescope, a flashlight, a phone and other necessary equipment for 14 days. Close all the windows and lock the doors and fireplaces. If you do not do these things or have a basement, then you will be hurt. Panic. Daddy. Come here.
What's wrong, Pauline?
Daddy, my emergency alert went on TV and said that nuclear power plants are going to spill and kick people in 15 minutes. I don't want to get hurt. It said get food, water, radio, phone, batteries, and more.
All right. Let's go into the basement. Where's Shauna?
I saw her walk out the door, telling me that she was going to see her friends.
We need to go into the basement. Now. We are safe now. Hopefully Shauna will be okay even though she gets in trouble a lot. I don't want her to get hurt. I was very worried about you. Nuclear plants will explode.
I know.
Let's watch the portable television for more information. Hello. Welcome to Lurgan City News Channel. We have some breaking news.
The emergency alert was a false alarm. It was a false alarm. No nuclear plants are exploding. My sister went into the Weather Channel headquarters and made a fake alerts.
The person who made the alert was our sister with a flower shirt and flowered leggings. She was also ugly. Here is her picture.
This was her. Her name is Shauna. That is all of the news. Have a good day.
If you are my mom and dad of our sister, you may have to pay a lot of fines. Shauna? Did you make the fake emergency alerts? A picture looks like you.
Mom. It was me. I am sorry. Please don't ground me.
Shauna. I cannot believe you make emergency alerts. Thanks to you. A lot of people were panicking. You also made Pauline cry. That's it, You're grounded for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 2 3 4 5 5 7 8 8 8 7 6 4 2 2 6 7 7 7 7 years. Go upstairs and go to sleep.
Wow.